It's a great pleasure for me to welcome all of you to the third Grace Hopper Conference in India on behalf of ACM, who has been a co-sponsor for this event as well as the previous ones. ACM is the largest professional organization devoted to computing in the world with over 100,000 members. ACM India or ACM has about 6,000 members in India, which is a small number for India. ACM is devoted to advancing computing as a science and a profession, which means ACM is for all of you. If you are a student of computing in a university or a college, ACM is for you. If you are a faculty member or a researcher, ACM is for you. If you are a professional in one of the product companies or service companies, again there is enough in ACM for you, and I welcome you to discover what ACM has to offer to you. Fortunately, computing is still cool in India. Computing is still glamorous. We don't have the problem of not having enough people taking up computing, not having enough women taking up computing, or not having enough students in STEM areas in India yet. However, other activities other than just getting your education or getting a job and making a career, volunteer activity in India is somehow lacking. We have to begin somewhere. Organizations like ABI or organizations like ACM and events like Grace Hopper cannot happen without active participation of volunteers. Each of us have a weak body and a limited mind. And if we get trapped into our own weak bodies and limited minds, we achieve nothing. The power of organizations, power of volunteer organizations such as ACM or ABI is bringing multiple weak bodies together to achieve something. It's not about what can I get from ACM or what can I get from ACMW or Women's Celebration. It should be about what can I contribute, how can I, along with this team, wonderful team that has been doing this, very experienced people, how can we together change the world? How can we together achieve things which a weak body of mine cannot? This should be the thought. We should go beyond our own weak bodies. We should go beyond our own limited minds and should be able to contribute to the computing community, to our women in computing or other disadvantaged sections in computing. How can we use computing to help them? How can we use computing to change the world? This kind of thoughts, this is what should come to your mind when you attend such events, when you see these people who make such events possible. I have been fortunate to be associated with ACM and play my little part in it. And I've seen meetings or events, conferences like this happen and which affect people deeply. This is the thought I want to leave with you. Please go back, especially those students or young professionals. How can you team together with other women like you or other professionals like you or other students like yourself and change the world? The platforms are available, mechanisms are available. All you have to do is spend a little bit of your time and a lot of your energy into this. With those words, I welcome you once more, and it's my pleasure to invite my colleague, Dr. Sheila Anand. She is the chair of ACMW. She's also a dean and a distinguished faculty member at Rajalakshmi Engineering College in Chennai. Sheila.